Do you carry out the same sequence of commands repetitively? Excel macros allow you to group several commands into one, and repeat them easily and automatically in a single operation. To start recording a macro, simply click on the macro icon located at the bottom left of the status bar. The Record Macro dialog box appears. You can change the default macro name to make it more meaningful. Be careful, no spaces allowed. You can specify a keyboard shortcut to replay your macro whenever you want. For example, Ctrl-Shift-A. And finally describe in a few words the purpose of this macro. In our example, our macro aims to color the cell borders in red, and to change the font and size of the characters. Then click OK, and start performing the sequence of commands to record. First, change the font. Then the character size. Change the border color of selected cells. And finally adjust the width of the selection. When done, stop recording by clicking again on the macro icon in the status bar. All recorded commands can now be reapplied at once, via the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A. And the new font, character size, and border color are applied in a single operation. You can do this with all Excel commands. Your macros remain available when you exit Excel, provided that you save the document with the XLSM extension. If you are an advanced Excel user with knowledge of Visual Basic for application, by pressing the Alt F11 keys, you can find and optionally edit your macros in the VBA Integrated Development Environment. You have easier access to commands related to macros in the Visual Basic Editor by making the Developer ribbon menu visible. To do this, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon Options, and select the Developer menu. Then click OK. The Developer menu is now accessible from the ribbon, and you can start or stop recording macros here, and also list which are available for use. And finally, you can also access the Visual Basic Editor.